Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a kid's profile on Chromecast. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. Now we're going to hop over to the top left or find this button. Now you're going to click on down and move to the right. Here you find this plus button. Click on this and you have these options. Add an account, add a kid account. So this will create a separate viewing experience for kids. This viewing experience will have parental controls and screen time limit. This is perfect for your kids. You can add or remove kids profiles anytime you want. Just go to settings and then go to accounts and profiles. So I'm going to add this kid account. So click on add a kid. Now you're going to be welcome, and on this page you can get started. You have to choose the parent account that's going to create a kid's profile. In this case, I'm using the DaveTech email and profile to create and manage a kid's profile. So when that is done, you have to select the kid. So add the kid, and it's going to initialize for a while. Give you some time to get done and you'll be able to put in the kid's profile. So you can put in the kid's first name. So I'm going to name the kid Qwerty and then click on next. From there, you could add the kid's age. So I'm saying Qwerty is going to be 7 years old. And there you see hi parent your child's account, the family links and parental supervision. You will see more on that. So just click on this drop down menu and read more on any step of the way. This briefing that will show you everything. So you could set screen time limit. You could approve the child's download and purchases on Google Play and limit the visibility of content. All of these are the features available on the kids account. So just scroll down to the bottom and here you'll be asked to agree to these terms and services. After reading them diligently, you can choose to agree. So check those two boxes and click I agree if you're good with it. So now you're creating an account for Qwerty, and since Google cannot verify your account, you have to continue to settings. So set up the kids account on another device. The same process just for parental guidance, setting the limit all on another account. So once you're done, return here and then sign in. So all you need to do now is to come over here. After creating on another device, you could easily create an account for your kid on your Google device with the same steps. Come over here, go to the top left, go to add accounts, add a kid, and from here you're going to log into the kid's account just like we logged into a profile account, and that's going to get a kid's account on Chromecast. So if you found that insightful, if you're able to set parental controls and have a safe viewing experience for your kids, smash the subscribe button, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.